Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will tell you how the crude price has moved in the last 2 days and how the crude price can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at this chart, what we can see here is that the crude price is making continuous high. Okay, but since few days or a week we can see that it is moving in a particular range and it's a range bound seen for crude. See, making a low at this point and it's continuously moving high. Now we can see that it is moving in this particular range since around 21st of June. Okay, so what we can expect here, the high we can see is at around 74.40 and a low we can see in this week is around 72. So what we can expect here, suppose if it goes above a level of 74.18, then chances are high that it can touch a level of 74.40 also, and once 74.40 is touched, then we can see it can go further high. But if I talk to you about the low thing, okay, suppose this range, this is the particular range we have seen a strong support we can see at around 72.57. okay, if it goes below that level, then we can see a level of 72.27, and if it goes more below that level, then a range of 71.92. okay, this is the range it has made. Suppose if we look at this chart, if it goes below a level of 72.83, chances are high that it can touch a level of 72.27, and from there it can touch a level of 71.96. okay, but as of now I'm looking that if it goes above a level of 22.75, chances are high that it can go further high. But suppose if it goes below a level of 73.44, chances are high that it can touch a level of 73.09, and if it goes below that level, then we can see a level of 72.83, and from there it can touch a level of 72.31, and from there it can touch a level of 72. 72 is a very strong support. If it breaks this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 71.6 also, and from there it can touch a level of 71.35, and from there it can touch a level of 71. okay, but suppose if it goes above a level of 73.96, then chances are high that it can touch a level of 74.22, and from there it can touch a level of 74.44, which it has already made once. And we have seen that after forming of one small red candle, we have seen that now it has again come to a level of 73.74. okay, suppose if it stays above a level of 72.97, then chances are high that it can touch a level of 74.4, and if it stays above that level, then we can see a level of 75.25, but it has to stay above a level of 74.49. okay, when 75.544 is touched, then chances are high that it can touch a level of 76.96. okay, once 76.96 is touched, then chances are high it can cross this level or it can bounce back from this level, because this level is only tested once. okay, so what you can do here is that if it cross this level 76.81, then chances are high that it can cross this level, but profit booking should be done at this level 77. okay, because it is only tested once. So you have to test the if it tested if it comes to this level, what you have to do is the chances are high okay that you should book your profit and it can bounce back from this level, or if it goes above this level. If you have any doubt regarding crude position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, or a mail ID I've given in the description. Please watch the full video, and if you wish to join my Telegram channel, you can join. okay, I am bullish till the time it didn't cross a level of 73 downside. okay, if it stays above 74.4, chances are high it can touch a level of 75.59, and if it touch a level of 77, then there is chances there will be a profit booking, because it is only tested once. And if it goes above this level, then it can touch a level 77.5 and go on, and so on. So this is what I'm expecting for the next 2 days. Okay, so hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it.